Jimmy from Cuffin Stuff. Man, I'm in the mood for some chicken wings, but grilled chicken wings. How about you? If you're not, keep watching. You will be. I promise. So, hang tight. Okay, so here's what we have. We've got a normal tray of wings. Now, I'm gonna cut the little winglet off. All you do, you just find the little joint. It helps to have a little heavier knife, so just a good kitchen knife works wonders with this. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut all the little winglets off. And there we go, there's the last one. I'm gonna throw all those little winglets away. You use them for stock, whatever you want to use them for. I do so many wings until I got wings running out my ears. All right, I'm gonna take this full catering pan. I'm gonna put this rack down in it, and I'm gonna spread these out like this over the rack. All right, what are we gonna use for seasoning? Well, there you go. To start with, this is Uncle Steve Shake. This is salt, pepper, garlic, SPG. And we're gonna lay that down as a base. And you see I'm covering, not heavy. And second layer, one of my all-time favorites. This is Texas Cajun. Oh my goodness. Uncle Steve hit a home run with this one. A little color and the flavor, oh my goodness. All right, now I'm gonna take and turn these over, and let's do the other side. Okay, there we go. We've got them done. Now I'm gonna take them, put them in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Now, they were fairly dry out of the package, but that's gonna help pull the moisture out. That's also gonna let this seasoning marinate this chicken and also help dry the skin out some. So I'll bring you back in a couple of hours. Well, okay, we've let this sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours, all right? Take a good look, there you go. See how it's marinated in? Let's get them on the grill. Okay. If you notice, we've got a 2-zone fire going here. And we're going to take and line these up. Let's get these on and get this cook cranked off. And from experience, I know that that size tray will do just exactly half of this little Weber grill. So we're gonna put this on the back side. I've got the top vent about halfway open. The bottom is about the same. So we're gonna let this go at least 30 minutes before we even check it. And when we do, we'll bring you back. Okay, so if you see, we're hovering pretty close to the 275, a little less than 300 degree range, which is where we want to be for these. So let's check these, see where we are. We're starting to get a little bit of color. We're getting in the upper 140s, 150s. So I tell you what, let's do. Let's take, this is duck fat. It's about time. Let's spray the top side of these wings, get them coated good with some duck fat. And I want to leave these about, I don't know, at least another 15 minutes or so with that duck fat on them. That's going to help to start crisping up that skin, and I'll bring you back. Okay, we're an hour in. Let's start turning this chicken over. Oh yeah. Let's see, we've started getting color. All right, we've got them turned over. So I tell you what, let's do. Well, let's give this side a little shot of duck fat. All right. Now I want to check this. Let's see where we are temperature-wise on this. 150s. Okay. All right, well, let's put the top back on him. Let's let him go 30 more minutes, and we'll come back and see what we got. Okay, we still at 275. We've been another 30 minutes. Oh yeah, look at my color. Oh yeah, these are done. These are done. Let's take them off. Is that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. I know you can't hear that. That skin is crunchy. Oh my goodness. These are gonna be some kind of good. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, let's take them all. Oh yeah. I want them to cool down just a little bit. I know this is gonna be like magma. Let's let them cool down just a little bit. And it's time for a taste test. Okay, well, here they are. I didn't let them cool much. I can't wait. I can't wait to taste this. All right, look at this. Whew. Still piping hot. Oh yeah. I'm going in. Yep, that's juicy, tender. Uncle Steve shake, you can't beat it, I'm telling you. I use it all the time. You can't beat it. Whew. I'm going back. Bones are chalk white. Delicious. I love wings, especially done like this. Now, if you notice, I didn't sauce them. You could take these and put them in a bowl and sauce them any way you want it. This skin is like fried chicken. Good and crispy. You can hear it crunch. Hey, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, hit the circle on this side and subscribe. Hey, why not? Won't cost you a dime. If you haven't already, I'll have another video just for you, whether you do or not, right over here, okay? So until next time, hang tight.